Right, let's start off with all these simplifications out there. And welcome to all of you. So we are on Boolean law simplification. So I have given you around 10 questions, different set of questions. You are going to use the laws and simplify these equations. Very important, when you're using the laws, do not memorize the set of laws. Okay, get it into a practice. Okay, be natural, nature, right? And along with those questions only, you'll be following up on this. Okay, now here we have set of questions on how can you simplify. Let's go through the basics and finalize all the answers. Let's now take this question. When you take it on in here, a plus 1, laws of O. Anything you add with 1 in truth table, the answer will be always 1. So in short, I can write that a plus 1 is equal to 1. If you take this expression, okay, can we simplify? Yes. How to simplify? Can I simplify A and B? No. But I can simplify A and A. Okay, anything you add with the same value, that is x plus x is x, A plus A will be A. Can I simplify further? No. So this is the final answer. Okay, here, third question, we have all plus. So if you do have all plus, which means what? It is associative law. You can use associative law to remove the brackets. If all are plus, you can simply remove the brackets, which will end up in this expression, which is almost similar to our second question. In second question, we say that a plus a can be simplified. Similarly, a plus a is a, and you get this answer. So you can finalize and write your answer as, if you want, here are the products. Similarly, all dots can be simplified. So a dot b. Okay, you can simplify. A plus a is a dot a is also a. So final answer will be a dot b. Okay, that is why I told you to do the homeworks. So final answer will be a dot b. Okay, maybe it's fast, but our questions been around 30 questions that we have discussed. So done. Some of y'all might have added. When you come across this addition, make a guarantee. Why? You can't add these two because this is a separate pair. This is a separate pair. So do not do that mistakes by adding. Okay, a plus a is a dot b. You can do this method by two expressions. You can either multiply or either take the common factor. Okay, in order to take the common factor, you have the common factor, but there is no sign. Let us convert this into a sign. A dot 1 is a dot b. Now take the common factor out. A is common, sign is dot, plus 1. Later, you can simplify. A plus 1 is equal to how much? Sorry, 1 plus b. Anything you add with b is 1. So you will end up with a dot 1. A dot 1 is equal to a. Okay, a dot 1 is a. If you all have any doubts in that expression, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let us say me the question number. I'll explain. Now you can find other methods also to do this question. Okay, if you are getting a as the simplified answer, go for it. Okay, if I express this as x, this will be x bar, opposite of it. X dot x bar is 0. So answer is 0. If I say this is x, this will be x bar, opposite of it. So x bar dot x is 0. Again, do not do that mistake. Okay, now you can't add these two and write the answer. So what we can do? Okay, do we have a common factor? So you can't use this method. You can't use this method to do it. So you can use redundancy law. Redundancy law, I think what you can do is you can multiply. So you basically, what do? You multiply. So a plus a bar dot a plus b. A plus a bar is 1. A plus a bar is 1. So 1 dot A plus B. Anything you multiply by 1 is that answer. X dot 1 is X. B dot 1 is B. So A plus B dot 1 is. Okay, I don't know if I'm fast, but okay, you all have done the homework. One other people doubt that I'll explain. Right, main maker. All plus, so we can remove the brackets. A plus, B plus, A bar. There's something called commutative law. You can shift places, which means if you have A plus B, you can also write it as, if you have A plus B, you can write it as B plus A. This is what commutative law says. So in here, we'll shift the places. A plus A bar plus B. A plus A bar is 1. Okay, A plus A bar is 1. 1 plus anything is 1. 1 plus anything is 1. Right. This expression, if I take it on, if I say this as x, make a moment x ke liye keyword, this is also x. X plus x is x. Similarly, ABC plus ABC, ABC. It is also same if you have multiple ABCs. X plus x plus x plus x. Take another simplify another. These are the first set of simplifications. Right. Now, if you have any questions, ask me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make question make a number again, so we discuss it. Here are the finalized answer set. Can we use distributive law for the third one? Yeah, you can use it. So I got A for the question number 3. Third one, I got A. How? Put that in the A plus. Now, can you, yeah. Can you send me your answer? I'll just check it. Can you explain question number 5? Seventh question you can use. ABC dot ABC, is it? It is ABC, yeah. It is same, ABC. Question number 7. Make cutter. Okay, this question, no, question number 7 is this. Okay, question number 7, you use redundancy law. Okay, question number 7, those who are having a problem, have a look. Question number 7, what did I do here is, okay, if I have something like this, okay, I can take the common factor out. Okay, make an explanation. Okay, I can take the common factor out. A out plus common sign is out. B dot B bar. If I want to unwrap again, or if I want to go back again, make take a multiply karla. Last class redundancy law. Make take a multiply karla. A plus B is A plus B. A plus B bar is A plus B bar. Same thing I did it here. Make another kare mama. Make take a meow multiply karla and make take a meow multiply karla. So A plus A bar, A plus B. A plus A bar is 1. Okay, how? X plus X plus X bar is 1. We have done the law. 1 dot anything is A plus B. Okay, we call this one as going back case redundancy law.